Welcome to a beautiful journey inside a real diamond. We start at 10 times magnification, admiring this sparkling round brilliant cut. But we won't stay here long. We're going deep inside. As I slowly increase the magnification, we begin our journey into the heart of the diamond. And here it is, a very large and unique inclusion, now visible at 150 times magnification. This inclusion is truly special. Its shape is so peculiar that I still can't decide what it reminds me of. Does it look like two lips giving a kiss? Or does it look more like a shell slowly opening? I really want to know what you see. Let me know in the comments, lips or shell. Now, I move to the other side of the diamond. Here we can clearly see a fracture inside the stone. This is the perfect moment to explain something important. Diamond is the hardest natural material on Earth. Diamond sits at the very top of the Mohs scale of hardness, with a perfect 10. Nothing in nature can scratch a diamond except another diamond. However, it is not the toughest gem. Because of its perfect cleavage, it can break relatively easily if struck in the wrong direction. Hardness and toughness are two completely different properties. Now let's return to our mysterious main inclusion. I flip the diamond upside down and show it from a completely different angle. It's amazing how much the view can change just by changing your perspective. The same stone, the same inclusion, but from a new point of view, everything looks different. This is one of the most beautiful lessons in gemology. Sometimes you need to look at things from another angle to truly understand them. Just like in science, in biology, in relationships, or in any field. Changing your perspective can completely change what you see. For the last minute of this video, I want to show you something truly special. Watch carefully. I'm going to play with the microscope light now. And this is where the pure magic begins. I slowly move the lighting from different angles, and suddenly the diamond comes alive in the most incredible way. This is the incredible dispersion of the diamond. As white light enters the stone, the diamond acts like a prism, gently breaking the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Every time I move the light, new colors explode inside the stone: vivid reds, deep blues, bright yellows, and greens. It looks like a fireworks show happening deep inside the diamond. At moments you can even see a perfect little rainbow forming and dancing within the stone. This is why diamonds have fascinated humanity for centuries. Not just because they are the hardest gem on Earth, but because they can capture light and turn it into something that looks like pure magic. A tiny universe of color trapped inside a single crystal.